Hello everyone, Sean here, Select Performance. Today I want to talk you through our 2017 Ford Ranger WILDTRAK. Let's take a little look. So it's a 2017 on a 67 Ford Ranger WILDTRAK. It's the 3.2 with the automatic. So it's got the bonnet deflector, xenon headlights, aftermarket front grille. It's got the huge Renegade tyres with Racingline wheels. It's got the side steps. The bodywork is absolutely stunning for one of these. Not being used as a commercial vehicle. Really nice and clean. There's no VAT on this one either. Bodywork's really nice and clean. It's got a tow bar. The rear is nice and tidy. Jump into the rear. Leather on the door cards. Half leather seats. Into the driver's side. Got electric adjustable seats, electric windows, automatic gearbox, big Ford Sync navigation. Walk you around the other side. No dents, damage. It's got the wide arches on there, they've all been colour coded, fitting nicely, and none of the ugly grommet fittings. Standard example, no VAT. Thanks a lot for watching.